Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode on Keeping It Real with Credit. Now in today's episode, we're going to be showing you exactly how you can go ahead and fix your bad credit ASAP. Now, if you have a credit score below a 680, then make sure to stay tuned because this video is just for you. Now, as a reminder, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications by clicking the bell icon above so that you can go ahead and get notified each and every time we post out a new video. Now, for those of you guys that are new to the channel, you may not even know exactly how bad credit can affect you. Having bad credit will cost you a lot of money in the long run, and if you don't do something sooner rather than later, you will have to pay a high interest rate each and every time you apply for a credit card, a car loan, a mortgage, or you may not even get approved in the first place. So if you have late payments, charge-offs, collections, or public records, there are a few steps you can go ahead and take to begin improving your credit today. Now, the first thing you want to go ahead and do is check your credit reports, and you can do so for free at annualcreditreport.com. Another option to sign up for is with credit monitoring, a credit monitoring service such as Identity Club. If you want to learn more about the benefits of credit monitoring, then check out my video on Identity Club right here. This video is not sponsored by them, but they are a great company and we recommend it to all of our clients. I also have a link in the description below where you can receive a 7-day trial with Identity Club for just $1. So once you have a copy of your credit report, review your credit reports for any errors. If you don't have any positive lines of credits, you should start by applying for a secured card or a credit builder loan. I went ahead and included some great credit building products in the description below that you can go ahead and take advantage of to start building a positive payment history. Check your reports for late payments, collections, high utilizations, bankruptcies, or foreclosures. Even if you've never filed for bankruptcy or had your home foreclosed, mistakes can happen. So you want to watch out for signs of identity theft. Late payments can stay on your credit report for 7 years, which happens once you've missed your payments for more than 30 days. On-time payment history can make up 35% of your credit score. And remember that the longer you go without paying, the more it would hurt your credit score. So for example, a 60-day or 90-day late payment will be worse than a 30-day late payment. And the more recent the late payment, the worse it is. So what can you do? Well, you want to go ahead and pay it off as soon as possible, even if you're already late. You need to make an effort to pay because if you just leave it alone, your account will be charged off after 180 days, and then that will get sent over to collections, which, as you already know, will make your credit score plummet. You can also contact the lender to see if they're willing to remove the derogatory item as a courtesy. Remember that they're not obligated to do this, so make sure that you just ask because at that point you have nothing else to lose. And if you're unable to resolve the negative mark directly with the lender, you can dispute the inaccuracies or discrepancies in the way that the information is reporting. All right, guys, so once you take care of those late payments, you want to go ahead and make sure to scan your credit report for any collections that may be reporting. Collections can actually stay on your credit report for up to 7 years. And if there's any errors or inaccuracies, then you want to go ahead and dispute that collection account. You also have the option to negotiate what's called a payment for delete, where in exchange for payment, the collection company will remove it from your credit report. And remember that paying off a collection does not automatically remove that account from your credit report. Next, you want to go ahead and check to see if any accounts you have are maxed out and work on bringing those balances down. 30% of your credit score is availability of credit, so using a high percentage of your available balance will actually affect your score negatively. So try keep your balances below 10% utilization if possible. You'll see a huge improvement in your credit scores pretty quickly. Now, if you cannot pay your balances down right away, then request what's called a credit limit increase so that you have more credit available. That will help lower your utilization overall without having to do anything else. But please, please, please be responsible because the goal is to keep your balances low. So if your lender does increase your limit, do not max out your card again. Finally, if you have any bankruptcies or foreclosures, this is affecting your credit the most. A bankruptcy can stay on your credit report for 7 to 10 years, and you can dispute the bankruptcy if you find any errors or discrepancies, or if it's been more than 7 to 10 years and it's still reporting on your credit report. Now, if you want to learn more about tips and tricks on how you can increase your credit score, then make sure to request our free ebook that's 101 tips that are guaranteed to improve your credit score. I've included the link to my ebook on the description below. You can also call us at 888-424-0058, option number 1, or schedule a free credit evaluation by using the link in the description below to speak to one of our credit analysts to discuss what are the options within our credit restoration program. And if you like more information on this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share with family and friends, and I'll see you on the next episode on Keeping It Real with Credit. Peace.